Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So my name is Ebenezer, and if today is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about three main admission application cycles in the US. So if you are an international student, you are considering applying to study in the US, whether you are undergraduate, master's, or a PhD applicant, it is good to know when to apply to the program, and if admitted, when do you start the program. So the first application cycle I want to talk about is the fall admission or fall application. So the fall application window for most schools, it opens in August throughout January. By some schools have what we call priority deadlines. So priority deadlines are sometimes in December 1st for most schools, but you would have to check the program's website to know this. So why is fall application important? So with fall applications, a lot of programs or universities take in a lot of students, because most students within these institutions graduate. Therefore, they create, like, let's say, vacant positions where they enroll new students. So if you apply, the opportunity of your chance of getting admitted is very high. And also there are a lot of funding opportunities. Funding opportunities become available. So let's say if a professor is having about 2 or 3 students in his or her research group and they are graduating, it means that he will have to, let's say, enroll or take in new students. So if you apply, the chance of getting admission and also graduate or teaching assistantship is very high. So consider applying to fall application. Another one I want to talk about is the spring admission. So spring application windows open somewhere in May throughout September. So if you can apply within this time, and then also you can apply from May to September, and then also if you are admitted and you are set to attend or enroll in the program, then you can start the program January next year. So it means that's how the spring works. So with the spring, there are not a lot of funding opportunities because not many students are graduating, and also funding opportunities are limited. So be mindful of this, and if you want to apply for spring, please do check whether the program will be offering some assistantship or scholarships in any form. So the third one I want to talk about is the rolling admission. So for rolling admissions, it means that, like, the schools, you can apply at any time, and then also faculty members or the admission committee will review application as they receive them. As you turn in your application, it can be reviewed at any time, and then also you can be admitted at any time, and you and then the school then decide when you would want to enroll in the program. So for my advice for international applicants is that if you want to apply and you want to increase your chance of getting admission and funding, please do consider applying to fall application cycle, because that's when most schools take in new applicants. And so please, thank you for watching my video. I hope this video has been helpful, and see you in my next video. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.